Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up the Canon PIXMA MG5722 printer software on your Windows, Mac OS, or Linux device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, on how to do it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser. Doesn't really matter which one, but we're going to open up Microsoft Edge for today's tutorial. And you want to search for Canon PIXMA MG5722 and go ahead and search for that. Best result should be from a Canon domain here that says Canon support for PIXMA MG5722. Go ahead and open that up. And then you want to scroll down on this page underneath downloads and select software and drivers. And then if you scroll down again, there should be an entry in here that says MG5700 Series MP drivers. Go ahead and select the download button for that. And then once it's done downloading, go ahead and open it up to run it. It should be a verified publisher, Canon Inc. Select yes to open that up. And it should say welcome to the MP driver setup program. This program will install MP drivers on your computer. Select next. Select your place of residence, and then you will need to agree to license terms. Select yes. And then you can select either wireless or wired connection, whatever your preferred connection type is. And you would select next to continue on with the installer. And then that would pretty much be it. So like I said, pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.